Hi, and welcome to our virtual program, Instructions for Making a 5-Strand Braid Friendship Bracelet. Step 1 has mostly been done for you. You'll find in your kit 5 strands of embroidery floss. They're about 4 feet long. What you'll do is take those 5 strands in a bundle, fold them in half, and tie them in a knot in the middle, just like in the picture. It'll make a loop. Now you can tape those to a table or a board of some kind securely, or you can put a safety pin in them and pin them to the leg of your pants, which is what I used to do when I made these bracelets back when I was about your age. Step 2, you will braid the embroidery floss using 2 of the same color lengths of cord as one piece. You want to make sure that the 2 cords lie flat next to each other as you braid. Arrange the cords so that there are 3 pairs on the left and 2 pairs on the right in any color order that you want. The picture you're seeing shows how part of the bracelet is braided, and we'll go over the actual how-to of braiding in step 3. Now, in the picture for step 3, the first pair of working cords is from the far left. Those are the yellow ones. You will bring the working cords over the next pair to its right, which is the turquoise colored pair, and then under the following pair to the right, which is the purple pair. Now you see here in the step 4 picture the completed braid of the yellow pairs of cord. So you pull the working pair, again the yellow pair, over to the right side. You now have 2 pairs of cords on the left and 3 pairs on the right. Now in step 5, you'll be working from right to left instead of from left to right. So your new working cords are on the far right, which are the blue cords in the picture. You bring those working cords over the next pair to its left, which in this picture is pink, and then under the following pair to the left, which is the yellow cords that you worked with previously. And here in step 6, you'll pull that working pair, which is the blue pair of cords, over to the left-hand side. You now have 3 pairs on the left and 2 pairs on the right. You start over again with the new leftmost pair of cords, which in this picture is turquoise, and repeat the steps until the bracelet reaches your desired length, working left to right and then right to left. When you're finished, you'll have your friendship bracelet, which you can keep for yourself or trade with a friend.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.